It is a First Alert weather day. Here's your First Alert Chief Meteorologist, Dave Aguilera.
Hey, gang, yeah, one of the worst things is wind. We got a lot of that going on out there in the Denver metro area. We've had some dust blown across the city with the wind kicking up out here. Clouds are starting to push in from up north, and we could get a little sprinkle of rain from now a cold front that's mixing in with the jet stream and moving across the area as we talk to you right now. Now, right where I'm standing here, we do have the red flag warning expired, but right over the Denver metro area here, we have a wind advisory for tonight on into tomorrow. Still a high wind warning for the foothills. I'm standing in Jefferson County, goes all the way up into the mountains. This whole area through 5 o'clock tomorrow morning could still have up to 90 miles per hour. Then we get into Thursday night and Friday, and there will be more wind heading our way. Now, most of the day, the jet stream and a pressure gradient has fed the wind. Now we've got a cold front, which is riding on that wave, moving right through northern Colorado, and we've got snow. Second round of snow moving into the mountains right now. Rocky Mountain National Park getting dumped on right now, and rain in Fort Collins over into the north side of Weld County, and the northeast will be pulling through, and that's the reason we might be able to pull out a little sprinkle of rain as this moves through. And for some areas just south of Cheyenne, some measurable rain now in Weld County with this coming through. Snowfall in the mountain locations in that Rocky Mountain National Park range all the way back to Rabbit Ears, about 4 to 8 inches of additional snow tonight as that pushes through, and several inches for some of the mountains around Steamboat. And then Friday, we got another chance of snow coming our way. So let's walk you through it. Here comes the cold front. There's the snow in the mountains. So a little bit of rain with this front tonight over northeastern Colorado as it pushes through. Won't last long. And then behind it, cooler air filters in for tomorrow. It will be windy in the mountains, breezy on the plains. And then in the afternoon, more wind kicks up. And then we have another cold front that kind of backdoors in, and that will keep the temperatures cool tomorrow. And by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, more snow in the mountains pushing on into Friday. We could have another snow event in the northern mountains with significant snow in some of those areas. We'll be talking about that as we get closer and closer to that area. Now, there's a high wind watch for Thursday. Tomorrow night, 9 p.m. through 5 p.m. on Friday. So tomorrow night, we're expecting the winds to energize again. So tonight through tomorrow morning, relaxing somewhat in the midday tomorrow, and then energizing again late in the day tomorrow. So we could again see 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts for our northern Front Range foothills and mountains, and some of that wind will translate into Denver as well. That red flag warning we had into effect today has been allowed to expire as humidity levels go up as the sun sets tonight. Tomorrow's temperatures a lot cooler, 50s and 40s, lower elevations with mostly 30s in the mountains. So a chill in the air. We're looking at 46 Castle Pines and Castle Rock, about 50 in Littleton and Inglewood. And if we bop up into the Arvada neighborhood network up here, Walnut Grove down through Quaker Acres, Mesa Meadows, Golden, all the way out to Arvada and Applewood villages will be in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees for those neighborhoods there. So tomorrow, high wind will be back late in the day, 50 degrees. If you get up in the morning, it will still be kind of gusty as well. 69 on Friday, a little warmer day, but the wind will be back on that one. And then over the weekend, we're looking at 50s for both Saturday and Sunday. Breezy to windy conditions, not as strong, but it will be with us. And then next week into Christmas, more 60s coming back at you. Shouldn't have any problem to see Santa roll through town with his sled and presents for you.